Da-da-da! Number 7, last feeding myth that we're gonna bust. Following your child around the house with food. Please do not do that. That is a really bad idea. You may feel like if you're chasing them around, you might get an extra scoop of food in, or they might eat one extra food, but we know from studies that children do the best when they are routine, not rigid, but when they're placed at mealtime, when mom and dad are eating, or siblings, or whomever, caregivers of any sort. Kids eat much better when they're seated down, when they have typical feeding routines and typical feeding times. So if you have the urge to follow your child around the house to feed them, please get on our website, feeding.com, check out our other articles, leave me a comment, and I'll be happy to respond to you. Find a feeding therapist, info@feeding.com. You can send us a request for a consult, and please find somebody to help you. It does not increase the volumes if you're chasing your child all around the house to eat, because number one, they never get a real meal. Their tummies never get expanded, and they never get full. So they never really get full, or they don't feel what it's like to be hungry, and grazers never gain good weight. So please be careful if that's what's going on. Find some help. I'm here for you. Thanks for your time.